हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ्स in continuation of chapter statistics of class 10th mathematics. In this class, we will be discussing the topic mode, that how to find out the mode of the given data. And this is part 6. Please also watch part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. So now, without wasting the time, we come to our questions. So this is the formula for the mode of the given data. Here, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So now we also have to see what these symbols are. This symbols means L is the lower limit of the model class, H is the size of the class interval, F1 is the frequency of the model class, and F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class, and F2 is frequency of the class succeeding the model class. These are the symbols L, F1, F0, F2, and H. So now we come to our questions and we shall be understanding in a proper way. Question number first is that find out the mode of the given data. Consider the following table. Class interval is 0 to 14, 5, 11, 16. That these are the frequencies. And the question is find mode. So student, for the mode, what we first of all we have to see, we have to consider the maximum frequency of the given frequencies. It is 5, 11, 16 and 25 and 19. हमें यहाँ पता चलता है कि 25 है वो सबसे ज्यादा सबसे बड़ी फ्रीक्वेंसी है, and please mark here F1. So F1 is 25. What is F1? The highest frequency of the given frequency. इस पूरी frequency table में सबसे बड़ी frequency 25 है, तो हमने F1 को 25 लिखा. Then F0 is the frequency preceding the modal class. Modal class से इसका मतलब modal class ये हो गया जिसकी सबसे ज्यादा frequency होती है उस class को हम कहेंगे modal class. So modal class here 22 and 26. This is modal class. L stands for the lower limit of the modal class. So lower limit of the modal class is 22. So here in place of L, you can write 22. F0 is the frequency preceding the modal class. Modal class से जो पहले वाला class interval है उस class की frequency को हम F0 कहेंगे. So here 16 is the F0. और मॉडल क्लास के सक्सीडिंग मींस उसके बाद में आने वाली जो क्लास इंटरवल है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम कहते हैं F2. मींस एक कंटिन्यूएशन में होता है F1 से जस्ट पहले F0 और F1 के जस्ट बाद में F2. सो F0 is 16, F2 is 19, and the difference between upper class and lower class, that is 4, 14 minus 10, so class size is 4. Student, here we also have to see that is the class interval continuous. क्या class interval हमारे continuous है? हाँ है. अगर ये continuous नहीं हो तो हमें continuous बनाना पड़ेगा. So now L is 20 means 22, F1 is 25, F0 is 16, F2 is 19, H is equal to 4. We have to replace all these values in the given formula. So in place of L, we write 22 plus bracket. F1 is 25. Now F0 is 16 divided by twice of F1. F1 is 25 minus F0, that is 16, minus F2, that is 19, bracket close, and H is equal to 4. So now please you consider yourself and multiply yourself what value it will be. So here on putting the values, we can write 22 plus 9 upon 15 into 4. Again, we can write 9. That is 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 54, 15. That is and into 4. So 22 plus 12 upon 5. So 22 plus 2.4. On adding, it gives us 24.4 answer. So mode of the given data is 24.4 answer. So this is the way how to find out the mode of the given data. सबसे पहले हमें highest frequency को तलाशना होगा. सबसे बड़ी frequency कौन सी है? ये 25 है. तो ये F1 होता है. F1 is 25. इस हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी के कोरेस्पोंडिंग क्लास इंटरवल होता है, उसी को हम मॉडल क्लास कहते हैं. सो व्हाट इज योर मॉडल क्लास? 22 to 26. यू राइट हियर 22 to 26. व्हाट इज एल? एल क्या है? जो मॉडल क्लास है उसकी लोअर लिमिट हम एल कहते हैं. सो द लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास इज 22. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ एल वी राइट 22. व्हाट इज F0? द फ्रीक्वेंसी प्रीसीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास. मॉडल क्लास के पहले वाला जो क्लास है ये वाला, इसको F0 और उसके बाद वाले को F0 कहते हैं. And now put the value in the given formula. Mode is equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. आप value put करें और इसका आंसर find out कर लें. So now we go for the next question, I think, and this is the next question for you. So first of all, we have to find the mode of the following data. So we observe that the class interval is continuous, so we need not make it continuous क्योंकि ये पहले से ही continuous है. और अब हमें क्या करना है कि जितनी भी frequencies दे रखी है उसमें सबसे highest frequency हमें search करना है. So 20, so that is F1. F1 means that is 20. And the modal class is the corresponding class interval of the modal class will be 40 to 50. वो class interval जो highest frequency को represent करता है वो modal class होता है. And here lower limit of the modal class is 40. L stands for the lower limit of the modal class. And F to F0 stand for the frequency preceding the modal class. Modal class के just पहले जो frequency है उसको हम कहेंगे F0 और उसके just बाद जो frequency आती है that is said to be F2. So F2 is equal to 11. And H stand for the class size. Class size, what is the difference of 10 and 0? That is 10. After getting all these values, what we do, we put all these values in the given formula. Mode is equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So lower limit is 40 plus F1 is 20 and F0 is 12. Twice of F1 is 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 bracket close into what is the class size 10. Please you multiply yourself. 20 minus 12, that is 8 into 10 divided by 40 minus 23. Please get answer yourself. Find out the answer yourself, student. Calculate yourself. Yes. What is the answer of this question? That is yes, student. What is the answer? On calculating this, that is 80 upon 40 minus 23, that is 17. So 40 plus 80 upon 17, that is 40 plus 4.7 approx. So the answer is 44.7. You write here approx. This is the answer of this question. Simply आपको 5 चीज find out करनी है. Highest frequency, then modal class, then lower limit of the modal class, then F0, F2, and H. I think you have understood this. सबसे पहले जब हम आपको मोड फाइंड आउट करना हो, आप मॉडल क्लास फाइंड आउट करिए. मॉडल क्लास के लिए आप देखिएगा कि हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी कौन सी है. हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी के कोरस्पॉन्डिंग क्लास को ही हम मॉडल क्लास कहते हैं. Here you can write that is class. Okay, I think you have got it. And now we move on to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Find the mode of the given data. Here, for the mode, we need the highest frequency. So 12 is the highest frequency. So in place of F1, we can write here 12. ये पहले से ही जब mode आप find out करना हो, तो ये block बना के रखिएगा. इसकी that is F1. This is F0. And that is F2. पहले से आप लिख लीजिएगा. F0 is 7, F2 is 5, and what is the size? 10 minus 0, that is 10 is the class size. And what is the modal class? Modal class is the class corresponding the highest frequency, that is 30 to 40. This one. And what is L? L is the lower limit of the modal class. So L is equal to 30. Students, now you have all the values with you. So please find out the answer of this question. Yes. So now we put the values. Mode is equal to L. L is 30. What is F1? 12. F0, that is 7. Twice into F1, that is 2 into 12, minus 7, minus 5, into S, that is 10. That is 30 is separately. Then you please calculate 5 into 10 divided by 12. So again 30, 50 by 12, that is 4.17. So the mode of the given data will be 34.17. Answer you write here approx. So what is the answer? 34.17 is the mode of the given data. स्टूडेंट, जब हम कहते हैं कि मॉडल क्लास 30 to 30, मॉडल क्लास हमारा 30 to 40 है, इसका मतलब मोड हमारा इसी बीच में आएगा. मोड कैन नॉट बी लेस देन द लोअर लिमिट, कैन नॉट बी मोर देन द अपर लिमिट. जो मोड हमारा 30 और 40 के बीच में ही आना चाहिए. सो व्हाट इज द मोड ऑफ द गिवन डेटा? दैट इज 34.17 इज द आंसर. इस फॉर्मूला को आप लिख के बहुत बार आप प्रैक्टिस करिएगा प्लीज. एंड नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो प्लीज कीप अ नोटबुक विथ यू. यू प्रैक्टिस विथ मी. आप इसको केवल टेलीविजन की जैसे या किसी एपिसोड की जैसे ना देखें, अपनी नोटबुक में मेरे साथ आप इसको सोल्व करते जाएंगे, राइट। एंड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, question number 4, and it says that find out the mode of the following data showing frequency with which profits are met. Okay, so all these are the frequencies here: 83, 27, 25, 50, right? You please check it out. What is the answer? Yes. So student, यहाँ पे आपको देखा कि आपका जो हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो कितना है, that is 83. So you write here 83, and the modal class is corresponding to the highest frequency, that is 3 to 4. So you write modal class is 3 to 4. What is the lower limit of the modal class? Lower limit of the modal class is 3. So you write here 3. Generally, कभी भी highest frequency top most में या upper most में नहीं आता, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है। अब देखिए, इसके जब पहले कोई क्लास नहीं दे रखी है तो हमें जो f0 है उसको हमें 0 सपोज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर कोई क्लास नहीं है। सो वी कैन कंसीडर इट एज 0. Right, and what is, so f0 is equal to 0, and what is f2? F2 is equal to 27, and what is h class size? Class size is here, you consider here 4 minus 3, that is 1. Upper limit minus lower limit is the class size. So in this case, what you do, you put the values in the formula, that lower limit is 3 plus f1 is 83, f0 is 0, twice of f1 83, f0 is 0, and f2 is 27, multiply the class size is 1. So you can write 3 plus 83, 83 to the 166 minus 27 into 1. On further simplification, that is 3 plus 0.5971. So answer is 3.5971 approximate answer. So the mode of the given data is 3.5971. Student, you find out up to 2 places, at least up to 2 places of decimal. और अगर ये terminating decimal ना हो तो आप इसके आगे approximate आपको लिख देना चाहिए. I think you have got it. And now we come to the next question. Yes. Question number 5, find the mode of the given data. In this question, first of all, we have to check whether the class interval is continuous or not. Yes, it is continuous, so no problem at all. And highest frequency is 12. So this is f1. इसके जस्ट ऊपर है वो है f0, और जस्ट इसके नीचे है f1 के, that is f2. So f1 we can write 12, f0 we can write 10, and f2 we can write 6. And what is the modal class? Modal class is corresponding to the highest frequency, that is 60 to 80. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो भी हमारा मोड आंसर आएगा वो 60 और 80 के बीच में आना चाहिए. And what is L? L is the lower limit of the modal class. So L is equal to 60. That is also 60. And what is the class size? H is the class size, and class size is upper limit minus lower limit, 20 minus 0, that is 20. Now we have to put the all these values in the given formula. The formula here is mode is equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is 60 plus F1 is 12 minus 10, 2 into 12 minus 10 minus 6 into 20. That is 60 plus 2 into 20 divided by 8. So that is 60 plus 5, that is 65. Please you also check your answer. What your answer is here is yes, please. So what is the answer here, students? Yes, please check. Is the answer 65 correct? Yes, student, please check answer. Yes. So 65 is the correct answer. Okay, got it? We are taking one more example for you to find out the mode of the given data. And this is the next question for you. First of all, we have to check whether the class interval is continuous or not. Yes, the class interval is continuous. So we need not make it continuous. पहले ये check कर लेना चाहिए कि class interval continuous है क्या, क्योंकि इसके लिए हमें lower limit चाहिए और lower limit के लिए हमें class interval continuous चाहिए. हम सबसे पहले ये देखेंगे कि of the given frequencies, which is the highest? 10 is the highest, so f1 is 10. So in place of f1 you write 10. इसके जस्ट पहले वाला जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है that is f0, so f0 is 7. जस्ट बाद वाला है that is f2, so f2 is equal to 6. And what is model class? Model class is 50 to 60, क्योंकि हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी के corresponding class है, उसी को हम मॉडल क्लास कहते हैं. So that is 50 to 60. And what is L? L is the lower limit of the model class, that is 50 here. So L is equal to 50. What is H? H is the class size. Class size means upper limit of minus lower limit. कोई भी class लीजिए, 40 minus 30, that is 10. Now in the formula you put all these values. Please learn this formula. L is equal to 50 plus F1 is equal to 10 minus F0, that is 7. Twice of f1 twice of 10 minus 7 minus 6 multiplied by h, that is 10. So you write 50, that is 3 divided by 7 into 10. Please divide yourself. What is the answer here? Please get answer, divide properly. Yes, this is 50 plus when 30 divided by 7, that is approximately 4.29. So what is the answer here? 54.29 answer. So mode of the given data is 54.29. This is the answer of this question, students. एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस। तो इसके लिए आप क्या करें, जब भी आपको मोड फाइंड आउट करना हो, पहले तो आप एक टेबल ये बना लें कि आपको क्या क्या जरूरत पड़ेगी, और दूसरा ये जो मोड का जो फॉर्मूला है उसको भी आप बार बार लर्न करें और उसमें प्रैक्टिस करें। ओके, एंड देन यू पुट द वैल्यूज एंड गेट द आंसर। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द मोड ऑफ द गिवन डेटा। और जो इसके जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट होगा, वो part 6, that will be of the median of the given data. Please keep watching. Thank you very much.